It's a Weather Xtreme video here, the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, August 19th. I'm James Spann. Hey, some loud thunder in spots to start the day, but clearly in coming days, the weather around here trending drier and hotter. Let's take a look at the big picture this morning, water vapor satellite view. Still on the western edge of the westerlies, and a little impulse kicking up some storms early this morning. This is the way the radar looked at 4:49. Big storms over parts of Shelby and Talladega counties. Northwest of Birmingham at that point, not severe, but giving some folks an early morning wake-up call in this moist and unstable environment. Here's the watch warning map this morning. Some dense fog issues up north, those counties in gray. Flash flood watch for parts of Utah, but that's about it. Things pretty quiet. Any severe weather later today should be north of here, through parts of Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, and Michigan. Overall rain for the next 5 days. Really, after today, things trend pretty dry. This is valid through Sunday morning of next week, and this is basically showing nothing up around the shoals down to about 3/4 of an inch over parts of South Alabama. Tropics remain quiet. Got a couple of waves in the middle of the Atlantic between the Antilles and the coast of Africa, but again, we've talked about all season the dry air just preventing those things from getting their act together. We'll keep an eye on them. All right, model fans. Let's take a look at the GFS, the Global Forecast System. This is valid today at 1 o'clock local time. The OZ run valid at 500 millibars. Got an upper low around San Francisco. Still heights a little below average here, so still today the risk of scattered storms. And obviously we had them this morning. And depending on where the storms form where you live, highs will be in the upper 80s or low 90s today. Now, this is the high-resolution HRRR model suggesting really nothing today at 4 o'clock, and it might be right. Often when you see pre-dawn storms that can tend to kind of work the atmosphere over and stabilize things, and it's not that active later today. Still, we'll mention the chance of a storm in spots, but gut feeling says that model is correct. Then tomorrow, showers thin out. Could there be one? Yes, but probably not as many as recent days, and we start to see heat levels creeping up with mid-90s. And Thursday, here we go, 594 heat ring. Those are never nice to see in August because you know it's going to be hotter than a firecracker. And down below that should be a sunny and hot day with highs in the mid to upper 90s. Friday, same thing. Just hot as could be. And this is Saturday as the weekend begins. The heights are actually down a tad, from 59.40 to 59.10. I don't know if you'll notice any difference. We'll still do mid to upper 90s. Could there be a storm? Yes. With the air loft slightly cooler, there might be a storm in spots during the heat of the day. And I'll say this, when we do see upper 90s around here, heat like that, the afternoon storms can be pretty fierce with a lot of lightning where they form. And the same thing on Sunday. Just hot, mostly dry. There's Monday of next week, same thing. And even on Tuesday, we've still got that 591 heat right over us. And down below that, hot, mid to upper 90s. An afternoon storm, not impossible, but they'll be widely spaced. Thought we check the temperatures, and again, you can see how the ensembles ramp us up to the upper 90s and just kind of leave us hanging there this weekend and early next week. But the numbers come down considerably toward the end of next week. But we've clearly got a 5, 6, 7-day stretch of hot weather. That's going to be the hottest period we've seen this summer. We all knew it was coming. We'd get it in before the summer's over, and there you go. We'll check the end of the forecast. This is September 3rd. End of meteorological fall. Heights about where they ought to be, and that looks like a pretty good flow coming in off the Gulf if that happens to be correct, and that would be kind of unsettled with the heat levels backing way down by then. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.